How do you choose which mountain bike to take on your adventures? 6 years ago, I set my heart onto the Trek Fuel Ex6. The Fuel EX is a highly developed bike, and this was the first 29-inch in the new lineup. It is great at carrying speed and it charges through everything in its path. The EX6 was the second cheapest model in the lineup. As such, compromises had to be made with the rear shock. This is a Monarch instead of the DRCV unit. It's probably not as supple, but still very effective. The fork is a RockShox Recon. It works well and has been completely trouble-free for the past 6 years. The wheels are probably what let the bike down the most. They are heavy and as such makes it more difficult to accelerate quickly. In fact, if you have a good upgrade suggestion, I'd be very grateful if you could comment below. The tires were upgraded last year to Maxxis High Roller 2 at the front and Minion SS at the back. They are fast rolling, very grippy, and in keeping with the spirit of the bike. As this is one of the cheaper models in the lineup, it is equipped with a lot of Shimano Deore parts. The cranks, the front derailleur, the shifter, the brake levers, and the brake calipers. The rear derailleur is a Shimano SLX and has no clutch. The geometry of more modern mountain bikes has evolved over the past few years. And to reflect that, I have upgraded my stem for a shorter, more direct, nuke-proof neutron and a wider nuke-proof neutron handlebar. Other upgrades that have worked include a pair of Ergon lock-on grips and the saddle of my white G170. I didn't think much of the Shimano Saint pedal. They will be swapped today. And guess what? The reverb dropper broke again. I've had it with them. I'm swapping it for something else too. Over the years, this bike has seen its fair share of abuse, but it has never let me down. What Trek has done with this Fuel EX6 is create a solid, reliable, dependable, bulletproof bike that will give you many years of happy ownership. The platform is right for sensible upgrades that will enhance its characteristics. Alright, let's get to work now.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait.
When you put the two pedals side by side, it's easy to understand why the DMR V12 is so much better. The platform is longer and wider, and it has 2 additional pins to secure your foot on the pedal.
I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
Now let's go try that new dropper and pedals. If you have any suggestions for any additional upgrades, please comment below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.